Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make marinara sauce with fresh tomatoes using an easy method. First, choose the ripest, reddest tomatoes you can find for the best flavor. Next, gather your essential ingredients like fresh garlic, good quality olive oil, and fragrant basil. Finally, prepare your tomatoes by blanching them briefly in hot water, then peeling and crushing them. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delicious sauce. Now let's build the flavor base. Heat about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large, heavy-bottomed pot over medium heat. Once shimmering, add 3 to 4 cloves of freshly minced garlic. Sauté the garlic gently, stirring constantly, until it becomes wonderfully fragrant, which usually takes about 1 minute. Be careful not to let it brown, as burnt garlic can taste bitter in your sauce. With the aromatics ready, it's time for the stars of the show. Carefully add your peeled and crushed fresh tomatoes to the pot. Give it a good stir, then season with a generous pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Bring the sauce to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it cook for 20 to 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. To finish your homemade marinara, stir in a handful of fresh basil leaves right at the very end. The heat from the sauce will gently wilt them, releasing their aromatic oils. Taste and adjust any seasoning as needed, adding more salt or pepper if desired. Your warm, fresh marinara sauce is now ready to be served over your favorite pasta or used in any dish that calls for a delicious tomato sauce.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.